lovely viewers, welcome to my channel. I'm Upasana and I do post makeup, nail art and skincare related content on my channel. In today's video, I will be sharing with you 3 fruit nail art designs. These designs are easy to achieve and you can pair with any outfit of your choice. I have tried to make this tutorial as beginner friendly as possible. So without further ado, let's start with the first design, that is the watermelon nail art. To keep my nails healthy and looking natural, I always like to apply a base coat on the base of my nails before applying any dark colors. The base color I will be selecting is from Plum Color Affair range in the shade Red Kiss. I will be applying only one coat of nail polish on my nails as the color is really pigmented. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I have a new video up. Moving on, I will be selecting a deep green color in the shade Forest Green. This is from the Revlon. Using the nail polish brush, I will be making the tip of my nails with my free hand. The green color is looking dark on my nails, but trust the process, it will be looking perfect at the end of the nail art. You can also follow me on my Instagram account. I will leave the handle somewhere on the screen. I also post makeup, nail art and skincare related content there. Sometimes I do shoot fashion related content as well. Let this dry for some time and then I will be moving on to the next step, that is by taking this light yellow color from Plum Goodness in the shade Lemon. Use the tip of your brush and start making an outline on the tip. Make sure that your brush is well coated with colors, because if your brush gets drier, then it will ruin the whole nail art design. After this step, I will be taking a black nail polish from LE18 and then using a dotting tool, I will be making small dots on the red areas, that is to make the seeds of the watermelon. I will also be making some white seeds using the white nail polish and the dotting tool. Just make the dots adjacent to the black dots. Next, I will be taking some light green color from LE18 and using a brush, I will be making small lines on the dark green area to make it look natural. Adding little details to your nail art can make your nail art stand out. My watermelon nail art is complete. Now I will be using a top coat to seal the nail art. As I always say, using a top coat can make my nail art last much longer and give it an extra shine. Second nail art design will be the blueberry nail art, and it is really simple and easy and looks really gorgeous. For that I am taking the Nykaa nail polish in the shade Blueberry Macaroon. I will be applying this beautiful powder blue matte nail polish as my base coat. The importance of using a base coat is that your nail polish looks more opaque and perfect. Also, your nail art will last much longer. For the design, I will be taking the Plum Goodness nail polish in the shade Black Grape and the blue color is from Nykaa in the shade Serenity. Applying both the colors on the sponge and tapping it on the nails. This will give a perfect gradient nail art. I am doing this only on my thumb finger, index finger and my little finger. Let this nail polish dry completely before moving on to the next step to ensure that the nail polish doesn't get messy. I will be taking the deep blue color from LE18, adding some color to the palette, and then I will be taking the large dotting tool and make small circles. This will be the blueberries. Try to make 2 to 3 dots together with each other so that making leaves will become easy. brush and use the lavender color to make lines near to the blueberries. Adding these little details is completely optional. Then take the black color from LE18. Using this thin brush, I will be making small stems of the fruits. If you want to watch these nail art videos which are popping right here on the screen, you can check the description box or the I button, link will be given there. You can also check some of the eyeshadow videos that are popping right here on the screen. The link will also be in the description box or the I button. To make the leaves, I will be mixing the deep green color, the light green color and also the white color. And using the little brush, I will be making small strokes near to the stem to make the leaves. So my blueberry nail art design is complete. I will be finishing off this nail art by using a top coat on my nails. When I use a top coat, my nail art lasts for at least 2 weeks. Next up, I will be moving on to the last nail art, that is the sweet lemon nail art. For the base color, I will be taking the Plum Color Affair nail polish in the shade Lemon. Applying 2 coats of this nail polish on my nails. Then on the middle finger and the ring finger, I will be applying a different color, that is Winter Rose from Plum Goodness. The links of all the products used in this video will be in the description box below. If you want to purchase them, do refer to those links. To make the lemon design, I will be taking the lemon nail polish and then start making a semicircle on my nail. Apply 2 coats of this nail polish on the design as well. On the other finger, I will be making bigger circles, making 3 of them. Then I'm taking the deep yellow shade from Lakme 9 to 5 range, adding some color to the palette, and then I'm taking the medium size brush. Start making another semicircle on the light yellow colored nail polish. On the little finger, I will be making small dots using the yellow nail color. After this, I will be taking a white nail polish and then drop some in the palette and then start making the details of the lemon. Draw a semicircle again on the light yellow color and then draw small strokes of white color. Keep your hands steady while doing this step. To make the leaves. For that, I will be taking the white color and the deep green color and mixing the 2 of them, and then by using the brush I will be making small lines on the fruits. This will look like leaves. Mixing the 2 colors, you can get a new color, that is this pastel green color, which is really beautiful. On the thumb finger, I will be drawing detailed leaves. Nail art is almost complete. Now I will be using a top coat. Apply 1 layer of top coat generously on your nails. With that, I complete my 3 nail art designs. Which one did you like the most? Do let me know in the comments down below. If you like this video, then make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, click on the bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I have a new video up. Do also follow me on my Instagram account. I will leave the handle somewhere on the screen. And I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.